In this video, we will identify the component of the photosynthetic machinery that generates all of the oxygen that we breathe. Chloroplasts in plant cells capture energy from sunlight, which is used to produce the active carriers ATP and NADPH, which convert carbon dioxide and light energy into synthesized sugars and oxygen. The oxygen we breathe primarily comes from the splitting of water, which is performed to replace lost electrons from the reaction center in photosystem 2. Photosystems have a set of antenna complexes to capture light energy and a reaction center, which converts light energy into chemical energy. Looking at these diagrams, we can observe the flow of electrons through the reaction center in photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 absorbs light and passes electrons to a mobile electron carrier, plastoquinone, where the movement of electrons in the electron transport chain creates an electrochemical proton gradient, driving ATP production. When electrons are removed from the reaction center, a positively charged chlorophyll special pair is left behind. These missing electrons have to be replaced for photosynthesis to continue. The reaction center has a special manganese-containing protein complex, which removes electrons from water to replace the missing electrons. This is called the water-splitting enzyme. The water-splitting enzyme in photosystem 2 creates all of the oxygen that we breathe. A cluster of manganese atoms holds onto 2 water molecules that are missing electrons. After 4 electrons have been removed from the 2 H2O molecules, they replace the electrons lost by the 4 excited chlorophyll special pairs. And oxygen is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct. By waiting for the 4 electrons to be replaced, no partially oxidized water molecules are released as highly reactive chemicals. Thus, the oxygen released is available for humans to breathe in and use for cellular respiration. A little interesting fact is that 70% of the oxygen we breathe comes from the process of photosynthesis within marine plants.